Oh boy. All right, guys, it is Tuesday, December 6th. Here, let me fix you so you can actually see me while I'm talking to you. Is that better? All right, office is a mess, but that's because I just had a huge restock. So just like I did kind of right around Halloween, I wanted to do another Christmas restock just for all of my longtime customers, and I did. It went very well. We've got just about 30 pieces, I think, to pack up today, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. I'm gonna just take you through my normal day, packing up all of these orders, and hopefully getting them out is a stretch, but hear me out. I've already made all of the cards, and that takes a huge chunk of time. Handwriting 30 letters is a lot, so I already took care of that yesterday. That's why today is Tuesday. So normally what I like to do is pack up orders the Monday after a restock, but orders were still coming in the morning, and I had to wait for a couple things in the mail anyway. So it's now Tuesday. We've got a ton of orders to pack. We've got to get started. So this restock, I had quite a few of my card charms. So you're also going to see me using these little boxes as well. The card charms will be packed in little boxes like this, and then these are going to also go inside of a bubble mailer, and they'll be packed with plenty of bubble wrap inside these as well. But that is a new addition. I don't think you guys have seen me do something like that before, so that's what that is. Otherwise, I'm going to be packing up everything the same as usual. For now, I've just got a lot of these much smaller pieces to pack up, and hopefully that means I can get through them quicker. I know it's a stretch to hope to get all of these orders packed today, but I really am gonna try. I've got my table set up in the corner. I've got my tape out, my scissors, all my handwritten cards. I have all of my orders written down right here. If you guys watch my other video about this, then you know that that's kind of super important for me as I'm packing up orders, especially when it's so many. You want to make sure that everything is lining up. The name is lining up with the piece, and the name and the piece is lining up where it's supposed to be while you're packing up all the orders. So first thing I'm going to do is technically just package them, then we'll box them, then we'll put the labels on. So everything stays in perfect order to just keep things going nice and smooth and flowing. Then when we print out the labels, everything is in the exact order it should be. We know we're not going to miss any pieces or give somebody the wrong thing. Knock on wood, never have. Which, let me just touch on something really quickly. So my best friend, Colleen, just ordered something on Etsy recently for me for Christmas. And they sent her the wrong thing, which is no problem. Things happen. Yes, it is frustrating because we both are Etsy sellers. So she wanted to obviously get the correct thing. Unfortunately, the shop had a no return policy. So this shop owner said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have any of those in stock. You can wait until my next restock and just hold on to the piece." And she's like, oh, well, no, it's the wrong piece. I'd rather just return it. This is for a Christmas gift. And the shop owner just stopped responding completely. Has not responded again and just has dropped off the face of the earth. If you expect to have any success in this business, your customers come first always, whether you like it or not. Well, to a certain extent, but you guys get what I'm saying. Doing something like that is so rude and so ridiculous, and it frustrates me that it was a gift for me. Otherwise, I would be reaching out to the shop too. It's disgraceful. It really is. It's a gross move to purposely ignore now for almost a week because you sent her the wrong thing and are refusing to return it because you don't have the correct thing in stock. That's not right. Not right at all. So yeah, word of advice, don't do like that if you want your shop to be successful and to actually be able to pay your bills with your shop. All right, so anyways, we've got my huge list of orders right here. We've got all of my cards already handwritten out, which again is a huge relief having these already done, ready to go. We're gonna start packing. It's 9:30-ish a.m. on Tuesday. Let's go. Okay, it is now 12:20. It is crazy how much faster and easier it is to just pack up tiny little charms than 25 to 30 small sun catchers. Normally it will take me from like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to get everything packed up and boxed. We haven't boxed everything yet, but I only have 2 pieces left. Point of all this is I've only got 2 pieces left, but one of them is a nightlight and I need another nightlight base, which is out for delivery right now. So we're kind of stuck. I could start boxing all the other things up too. So I don't know if I want to start boxing things up or make a run to the store. I don't know. Maybe we'll skip it, pack the last one. Maybe we'll skip it, pack up the last order. That's just a moon phase, and then start boxing everything. And once the nightlight module comes in, we'll pack up the second to last order. I don't like going out of order, but I'm so close to the end that I know I won't forget it. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Pack up the last one, then start boxing everything up. Okay guys, so my nightlight modules came in, but the light bulbs that were supposed to come with them did not. So now I'm going to have to stop what I'm doing, run to the store to buy some, and pick up another box that I need as well. Luckily I can get both of those things at the dollar store. So I think I'm gonna take a break. It is now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So still not bad because I'm already almost done boxing everything up. I won't be able to ship them out today, but I will be able to print the labels out. So first thing in the morning, I can just drop them right off. So that's good, I'm still happy. But we're gonna have to stop, run to the store really quick, and then come back and finish everything up. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 4 more packages left, and that's it. All right guys, I think I look presentable. I don't know if you can tell. First things first, I need to go tanning. So I've been watching old Mad TV. So I don't know if you guys know what Mad TV is. It's definitely a show that could not be on today. We'll just say that. But if you did know it, you did grow up with it, you probably love it just like I did. I have very fond memories of watching Mad TV with my mother from a very young age, which is probably why I have the insane humor that I do. Most of the time dark. Anyways. First things first, I gotta go tanning because I'm looking like a upset goth kid, which is not the vibe. So, gotta go tanning first, then we're gonna run to the store to get what I need to. So I cannot forget. Remind me, if I forget, I'm counting on you guys. So I need light bulbs, a couple boxes, and that's it. That's all I need, light bulbs and boxes. I need to not get distracted, that's all I need. And then I figured we'll stop on the way back and get my favorite food, some bruschetta from my favorite place, because why not treat myself? This has been a good restock, so I'm happy. So yeah, let's hit the road. Go tanning first, get the shipping stuff, bruschetta, back home, finish packing orders. Okay, little change of plans. So while I was in there, I kind of remembered. Caught, red-handed. All right, anyways, while I was in there, I kind of remembered how bad my roots are and that they need to be done. We gotta go to Sally's so I can get some hair dye. I don't know if I'll dye it tonight. I might put it in before we finish packing up orders, but I don't know if I'm gonna go get my favorite bruschetta. But regardless, first things first, I gotta go to Sally's to get this hair dye, and then there's a Dollar Tree over here that I can hopefully get the packing and bulbs that I need. Every single, I hate even saying this out loud because I feel like I'm gonna like will something to happen. But every time I go to this Dollar Tree, I literally feel like I'm gonna get shot. Like this place is rough. Hopefully they got what I need. It's right near the Sally's. And then we'll see if I'm hungry after that. Okay, y'all. Hair dye secured. Extra packing supplies secured. Shockingly, they had 3 of the size boxes I was looking for. But now I don't know what to eat. And I'm thinking I might get shitty old Taco Bell. Well, I'm not really a Taco Bell person, but I do like just a soft taco and cinnamon twist once in a while. So let's do that. It's been a while and it's starting to rain out, which is why I think I've been like particularly tired today, because it's just been this gray overcast constantly. And right now it is 55 degrees and I live in New England and it's December. It's actually pretty upsetting. And that's another reason why I wanted to go tanning, because it just boosts the serotonin, you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully the temperatures will start to drop and we will see some snow. Not looking promising as of right now. All right, let's see how busy Taco Bell is and get some quick food. Hi, can I have 2 soft tacos, some cinnamon twists, and then can I have a small one of the cherry bliss freezes? It's been a while.
Can I see your nails? Oh girl, I love those.
Thank you.
How much do you pay?
I do it myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have like a number or something? Or like do you do people's nails?
No, I don't. But I have YouTube, and I guarantee you if I can do it, you can do it. Look on there on my YouTube channel, I'll show you how to do it. Gel extensions. They're cheaper and way easier.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's literally every time. Okay, so as you guys just saw, we officially have all of the orders packed. I'm just waiting for another order to come in because that's literally how it always happens. But I think I am going to put my hair dye in. I'm going to let my hair dye sit while we start printing out all of the labels. So I'm gonna go do that really quick and then I'll be right back so we can start printing out all of the labels for these boxes to get them out first thing in the morning. Okay. All right, it is now 8:30 at night, but everything is packaged up. So obviously I already rinsed out my hair. After I put the dye in, I started cleaning the bathroom, which led to cleaning all of upstairs, putting fresh sheets on, laundry. So now we're ready to finally start printing out our labels and putting them on our boxes. And then we're done with packing day. Well, I will be tomorrow morning when I go to drop them off, but you guys ain't missing much with that. So I've already got my shop pulled up right here. And again, this is the super easy part, you guys. Like I said, I know it can feel overwhelming, but it's really not. It's so self-explanatory, and once you start going through, it will tell you exactly what information you need to put in and exactly where. So I use all of my own packaging all the time, except for pieces that are wider than 12 inches wide, or sometimes even 8 or 10, so it depends. Like these right here are the largest I'll usually go before I move up to a flat rate. So this is a 11.5 by 2.5 by 12.5 box. These pieces are my stars. So the hanging stars and my large tree stars are too large for my typical packaging, which is 10 by 8 by 4, 6 by 6 by 6, or 10 by 8 by 3, or 10 by 8 by 6. Those are the most common box sizes that I use, and this is for the bigger one. So I'll put the large tree stars and hanging stars inside this packaging, but still this is my own packaging, and that is in comparison to a postal service box. So this is obviously a USPS box. This specifically is a medium flat rate. So no matter how heavy this box is, it is going to be a flat rate cost anywhere inside of the US. So they have small, medium, and large. They also have just regular shipping boxes and so on. There are many, many, many options, but almost always recommend that you guys get your own packaging, especially if it's going to be under a pound. If you're shipping larger panels, anything over a pound, then that's when you start to want to look into those flat rate options. Unfortunately, USPS just got rid of their super long, wide, thinner, large flat rate boxes. They got rid of those. That's when I do my larger panels or my wooden plaques, things like that. I'll put inside those larger flat rates. So yeah, you just gotta kind of learn the system, and it's a very much learn as you go. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through all of these packages again because everything is perfectly in line. I'm just gonna go right to my first order. That should be my first package in the row over there. Second order will be second package, and it'll be perfectly lined up all the way down. As I'm kind of going through this, I'm also going to be double checking the name and what is inside the package. So first one, for example, her name is Nicole, so I'm checking her name. What did she order? Making sure that is exactly what's written outside of my package as well. So I'm just going to go down the line, fill out all of this information, print these labels out. That's it for shipping day. Okay guys, that is it. That is everything. Everybody's order is packed up, ready to go, labels on it. All I gotta do now is drop it off at the post office in the morning, which I know you guys don't wanna see. So, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about packing or shipping, just leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you did, comment down below and let me know what do you wanna see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.